what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
I'ma tell you this one time, where I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. It's kinda like, whoa, I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Lay your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. No, don't wanna leave. I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. It's making me feel this way, and it's kinda like.
Hey flowers, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Mbali Morak. I really do hope you love it here and decide to stay. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, love. So today I'm doing a Sunday reset. I just did my morning routine, which is just oral care, took a shower, and I'm actually hungry, but food can wait because I know once I feel my tummy, I will not want to do anything, right? And there is quite a few things that I want to do today. So yeah, I just figured why not do a Sunday reset. We are still in that Vlogtober momentum, still going hard, still pushing, even though I feel like I'm about to have a burnout. Oh my gosh, I really do feel like I'm about to have a burnout. Okay, I say again that I burnout. But there are things that I bought on Shein and I would like to do a haul with you. I'm very excited because I bought some bedding, like bedding stuff, a new bedding, a blanket, what do you call these? Cushion covers, yes, and then I bought shower shelves. Yeah, and I bought mats for my bathroom. My bathroom mat was really ugly and I washed it and threw it away because I don't throw away things while they are dirty. Like, I don't know why, but yeah, that's what I do. I threw it away. I couldn't give it away because it was just that ugly. So washed it, threw it away, and then my bathroom had no mats. So I bought also mats. So right now what we'll do is that we will do our haul. And then after our haul, I'll just put in some bedding in the washing machine. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. I also want to get rid of the old bedding. I'm going to wash it. The new one I'm just going to rinse and spin just for it to smell like stay soft, not smell like it's fresh out of the factory machines and stuff. So yeah, then the old one I'm just going to wash it for like 2 hours in the washing machine. Yes, that's that. And then we'll make breakfast and then we'll see what we do from there. So yeah, I really do pray that you actually enjoy the video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And yeah, let's just get this day started, okay?
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around. I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Yeah, yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. So baby, I want this. I want this to last forever. Oh, yeah. So baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh, yes. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So I just finished eating and yeah, I'm full now, so my energy has just gone up now even though I am full, but yeah, my energy has just gone up. What we'll do now is we will install my shower shelves, put my mats in place, and then put in the new bedding, and then maybe after that we will start cooking a Sunday lunch. I don't want to cook much because I'm not in the mood to cook, you know, but I also want to eat, so I'm just gonna make simple pap, smaller and a gravy maybe, and just meat. And I haven't even defrosted that meat, but it'll defrost inside the pot. So yeah, that is what we are going to do now.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not in the house anymore. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you belong.
You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Oh.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I am in